Right there. Oh, okay. Yeah, I used to do racing up in Wigan, and they were always fond of it. I mean, I haven't put the stickers on myself. It was previous owner, but it was sort of, yeah. I think you can find them on eBay. They're only like 30 quid for a full set. But I mean, the ones that I've done are this, but that's just to meet the regulations to go on track, really. Other than that, it's all right, really. It's a diesel though, so it's. Yeah. But anyway, yeah, no, it's a good car. It's diesel, so the engine's reliable. That was the only thing that sent it for me, really. But yeah, it's a nice. Yeah, that's quite good. This has got just over 90. Ticked over the other day, but it was sort of. It gets me to and from work, but it's had a bit of engine work done to it, so it's not that good on fuel anymore. So it's been like remapped, had better gaskets and everything put in it, and a bit tuned up. But it's yeah, it yeah. Oh yeah, they're very good cars to adjust and things like that, because like this one's more set up for track type of stuff, but I have seen them like fully rally set up and everything, because you can get lifted suspension and doing all that type of stuff with it. But yeah, it is, yeah, I'm enjoying it anyway. Yeah, yeah, of course, yeah. Okie dokie. Oh, no worries. Cheers, see ya.